Dear children, welcome to the class. In the last class, we have started the prose part of Unit 5, The Swan and the Princess. In the earlier class, we have seen King Suddhodana's son Siddhartha and his cousin Devdutt were involved in a dispute over the ownership of a swan, which was shot down by Devdutt but saved by Prince Siddhartha. Devdutt came to the king asking for justice. Now, we continue with how the justice was served. King said to Siddhartha, Siddhartha, Devdutt says that you have taken his swan. Is that the swan which you took from him? Siddhartha said, Your Highness, Devdutt has complained about this swan, but it is not his swan, it's mine. By hearing that, Devdutt said to the king, No, Your Highness, it is not his, it's mine. I shot it with an arrow. Siddhartha is telling a lie. So the king said to Devdutt, Be calm, Devdutt. You say that the swan is yours because you shot it. Is that right? Devdutt said, Yes, sir, that's quite right. So the king said to the Siddhartha, What do you say, Siddhartha? Why do you say that the swan is yours? Siddhartha said, Your Majesty, Devdutt shot this swan, but I have saved its life. That's why it's mine. By hearing that, ministers said, Hear, hear. King said to Siddhartha, Listen, Siddhartha, a Kshatriya cannot give up what he has shot. Do you agree with me? Siddhartha said, Yes, I do, sir, but a Kshatriya cannot give up a suppliant either. This swan came to me for protection. I cannot give it up. So Devdutt said, Your Highness, this is injustice. I shot the swan, so it's mine. So the king said to both the boys, Well, boys, I am puzzled. It's a strange case. I do not know how to decide. And he said to the chief minister, Can you help me? So the chief minister said, I will try, Your Highness. So king said, Very well then. Please go ahead. So the chief minister said to both the boys, Prince Siddhartha and Prince Devdutt, please listen to me. Prince Devdutt says that the swan is his because he has shot it, and Prince Siddhartha says that it is his because he saved its life. Am I right? So both the boys said, Yes, you are right. Then the chief minister said, Good. Now, Prince Siddhartha, please put the swan on the stool. Siddhartha put the swan on the stool and goes back to his place. The swan is frightened and keeps looking at Siddhartha. And the chief minister said, Prince Devdutt, please come forward and ask the swan to come to you. Devdutt came forward and said, Come to me, O swan, come, come, come. By hearing that, the swan trembles and cries with fear. Then the chief minister said, That will do, Prince Devdutt. Now it's your turn to call the swan, Prince Siddhartha. Devdutt goes back and Siddhartha comes forward. Siddhartha goes near the swan and said, Dear swan, don't be afraid. I have come to you. Come and sit on my arms. The swan at once flies onto Siddhartha's arms. Then the chief minister to the king, Your Highness, the swan has decided the case. King, it has indeed, and we accept the decision. The swan belongs to the Prince Siddhartha. By hearing this, all the ministers said, Long live Prince Siddhartha. So dear students, I hope you have all have enjoyed the story. So let's move on to the question answer session. C1 question answers. So in that the first question is, what was the complaint of Devdutt against Prince Siddhartha? Answer, Devdutt complained against Prince Siddhartha that he had taken the swan which Devdutt shot down. Question number 2. Why did Siddhartha claim that the swan was his? Answer, Siddhartha claimed that the swan was his because he saved and protected its life. Question number 3. How did the bird react to Devdutt's call? Answer, when Devdutt called the bird, it trembled with fear and cried. Question number 4. What did Siddhartha say to the swan? What did the bird do? Answer, Siddhartha said to the swan not to be afraid and that he had come to save it and asked it to come and sit on his arms. The swan at once flew onto Siddhartha's arms. Question number 5. What made Siddhartha and Devdutt approach the king? Answer, Devdutt shot a swan. It fell down wounded. Siddhartha picked it up and nursed it. Devdutt asked Siddhartha to give the swan to him. Siddhartha refused to give it back. Both of them went to the king for justice. Question number 6. How did each of them defend their actions? Answer, as per Devdutt, Kshatriya rules gives him the right to own any game or animal which he hunts. But as per Siddhartha, a Kshatriya should not give up a suppliant who seeks his protection. The swan has come to him for protection, and as a Kshatriya, it is his duty to protect. And so the swan rightfully belongs to him. Question number 7. How did the chief minister resolve the dispute in the ends? Answer, the chief minister told Siddhartha to keep the swan on a stool and asked both Devdutt and Siddhartha in turn to call the bird to their side. The bird naturally chose to go to Siddhartha, who had saved its life. Thus, the chief minister let the swan decide who really owned it. So now, next we will have V1. Substitute each of them with a single word using prefix given above. One's own signature, that is autograph. Here, prefix is auto. Place of living organisms, biosphere. More than one purpose, multi-purpose. Effective against bacteria, antibiotic. Half of its surface, hemisphere. True, not fiction, non-fiction. Between nations, international. To wash before, pre-wash. Very small, not visible to the naked eye, microscopic. Next, fill in the blanks using the appropriate prepositions from the table. If Apurva felt Dinesh was right, she would agree with him. Here, with is the preposition used. The economy of India is based on farming. In this sentence, on is the preposition. What time does the bus arrive at Mangalore? So, at is the preposition used here. Then, I wish you did stop shouting at us angrily. So, at is the preposition. Kumar is down here, she said in a loud voice. So, here in this sentence, in is the preposition used. People differ from one another in their ability to handle stress. In the sentence, from is a preposition. Amolya applied for a job with a local newspaper. So, for is the preposition. Has Harish replied to your letter yet? To is the preposition. I apologize for losing my temper. For is the preposition. Do you believe in God? In is a preposition. Next, we will move on to the assignment section. Use a correct ending with the word below to complete the sentences. So dear children, that's all for this session. See you on the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.